Today, I'm going to explain how the Iron Beam laser weapon system works and how it might benefit the US and Israel in the long run. The Iron Beam is a high-energy laser weapon system that is being developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, a defense company based in Israel. The system is designed to destroy short-range rockets, artillery, mortars, drones, and other airborne threats that are too close or too fast for the Iron Dome missile defense system to intercept effectively. The Iron Beam uses a fiber laser to generate a powerful beam of light that can burn through the target in a matter of seconds. The system consists of an air defense radar, a command and control unit, and two laser systems mounted on vehicles. The radar detects and tracks the incoming threat, and the command and control unit assigns the target to one or both of the laser systems. Depending on the situation, the laser systems then aim and fire at the target, destroying it in mid-air. The main advantages of using a laser weapon over a missile interceptor are lower costs, unlimited ammunition, lower operational and maintenance costs, and less manpower. There is also no risk of collateral damage from interceptor debris or explosions. The cost of each laser shot is estimated to be around $2,000, compared to $100,000 to $150,000 for each missile interceptor. The Iron Beam is expected to be the first operational high-energy laser weapon system in its class. It is currently undergoing testing and development, and is scheduled to enter service with the Israeli Defense Forces by 2025. However, the development has been accelerated due to the recent escalation of hostilities involving the Hamas organization in Gaza. The US administration has asked Congress to invest $1.2 billion in Israel's Iron Beam project. As part of a larger package of military aid and cooperation, the US and Israel have a long history of collaborating on missile defense systems, such as the Iron Dome, the David Sling, and the Arrow. The US sees the Iron Beam as a potential game-changer in the region, as it could provide a more effective and efficient way to counter the growing threats from Iran, Hezbollah, and other hostile actors. The US also hopes to benefit from the technological and operational lessons learned from the Iron Beam, and to apply them to its own laser weapons programs, such as the High-Energy Laser Weapon System (HELWS) and the Indirect Fire Protection Capability High-Energy Laser (IFPC-HEL). The Iron Beam is a cutting-edge laser weapon system that could revolutionize the air defense capabilities of Israel and the US. It could provide a new layer of protection against short-range threats that pose a serious challenge to conventional missile defense systems. It could also reduce the costs and risks associated with missile interceptors, and increase the survivability and flexibility of the forces. The Iron Beam is a testament to the innovation and collaboration of the Israeli and American defense industries, and a potential deterrent to adversaries in the Middle East and beyond.